Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, simulan natin yung sinasabi ko nga dati na gagawa ko ng mga tutorial videos na kung saan i-feature natin yung mga solved problems like for the differential equations, calculus, and different branches of math. So simulan natin sa differential equations. So for this tutorial mga lodi, magsasolve tayo ng siguro minimum of 8 to 10 problems sa differential equations. Na yung topic natin is all about elimination of arbitrary constants. For good reference, pwede nyo gamitin yung elementary differential equations by Earl Rainville, and Philip Bedient. So yun yung pinakamagandang reference for practice, lalo na dun sa mga nagtitake ng differential equations na subject. Okay? Number 1, eliminate the arbitrary constant x cubed minus 3x squared y equals c. Okay? So, ganito kasi yung concept niyan mga lodi. Pag nag-eliminate tayo ng arbitrary constant, kung ilan yung constant natin, that is the number of times that we're gonna differentiate. So, for this case, ang constant natin isa lang, c, kasi x and y, yun yung ginagamit nating variable. So, yung c, yung constant. Since isa lang yung constant, therefore, one time lang tayo magdi-differentiate. So, that is, ano derivative ng x cubed? 3x squared minus 3 times the quantity. Bakit nilagyan natin yan, Sir IJ? Kasi nga, this is product rule. UDV plus VDU. So, that is x squared y prime plus y times, ano derivative ng x squared mga lodi? 2x. Ganyan siya. Equals, derivative ng c, 0. So, ano mangyari dyan, Sir IJ? So, pwede natin i-divide both sides by 3. So, multiplying both sides by 1/3. So, that is x squared minus x squared y prime plus, magiging minus kasi didistribute natin. Minus 2xy is equal to 0. So, pwede natin gawin, yan na yung pinaka-final answer natin. O kaya naman, kung ang hinahanap kasi talaga natin is yung y prime, ganito yung mangyayari dyan. So, x squared minus 2xy equals x squared y prime. Therefore, y prime is equal to x squared minus 2xy all over x squared. So, yun na yung magiging final answer natin. O kaya minsan, naka-dx tsaka dy siya, pero for the meantime, ang gagawin na lang muna natin, express natin lahat in terms of y prime, y double prime, y triple prime, and so on. O kaya, hindi, wait lang. Pero pwede pala natin tong i-divide both sides by x. So, this is equal to x minus 2y all over x. Ayan yan mga lodi. Ayan yung pinaka-final answer natin. Okay? Number 2. Y sin x. Y sin x minus xy squared equals c. So, same step. Tingnan kung ilan yung constant, mga lodi. And then, differentiate kung gaano man karami yun. Dito, isa lang. Therefore, one time lang tayo magdi-differentiate. So, that is UDV, y. Ano derivative ng sin x? Cosine x. Plus sin x. Ano derivative ng y? That is y prime. Minus UDV x times 2y y prime. Ano derivative ng y squared? Diba? 2y y prime. Plus y squared. Ano derivative ng x? That's 1 equals 0. So, simplify natin mga lodi. Y cosine x plus y prime sin x minus 2xy y prime minus y squared equals 0. So, pagsamahin natin lahat ng mga may y prime at saka lahat ng hindi y prime. So, that is y prime sin x minus 2x y prime equals, lipat sa kabila, y squared minus y cosine x. Factor out y prime, ang lalabas, y prime is equal to y squared minus y cosine x all over sin x minus 2xy. So, yan na yung magiging pinaka-final answer natin mga lodi in terms of y prime. So, y prime is ito na yung magiging value natin. Okay, mga Lodi? So, naintindihan naman for sure. Proceed tayo sa next problem. Number 3. Okay, number 3, mga Lodi. Number 3, x squared y equals 1 plus cx. Sir IJ, paano yan yung constant natin may kasamang variable? So, ganito ang diskarte ko dyan. Ito yung pwede ko maturo sa inyo, mga Lodi. So, pwede mong gawin dyan, x squared y minus 1 equals cx. Sir IJ, may kasama pa rin yung variable. Para madali mag-differentiate, ang ginagawa ko dyan, mga Lodi, ito, i-divide ko both sides by x. So, we have c is equal to x squared y minus 1 all over x. And then differentiate. Kasi isa lang yung constant natin, once lang tayo magdi-differentiate. So, that is x squared y. So, magiging 0 equals, derivative ng quotient? v du minus u dv over v squared. O kaya yung iba, ang palatandaan nila is low de high minus high de low all over law squared. So, ano mangyari dyan? v du, x times x squared y. Ay, wait lang. Derivative pala yan, mga Lodi. So, that is x multiplied by, derivative ng x squared y? So, product siya. So, x squared y prime plus y times 2x. Okay? Derivative ng negative 1? That is constant. Therefore, 0. Minus v du minus u dv. So, that is x squared y minus 1 all over. Ito, minultiply na natin to, di ba? v du. So, di ba, v du minus u dv times 1 all over x squared. Yung x squared, pag minultiply both sides, 0. So, that is 0 is equal to x cubed y prime plus 2x squared y minus x squared y plus, plus 1 nga, mga Lodi. Negative, negative, therefore positive 1. So, ano na mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ? Ano ba yung may y prime natin? Diba ito, mga Lodi? So, ang gagawin mo dyan, lipat natin dito. So, magiging x cubed y prime is equal to x squared y minus 2x squared y minus 1. Ito, pwede natin i-simplify. X cubed y prime equals negative x squared y minus 1. Y prime is equal to negative x squared y plus 1 all over x cubed. So, yan ay magiging pinaka-final answer natin, mga Lodi. Okay? So, yan yung magiging value ng y prime natin. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa problem number 4. Problem number 4, cy squared equals x squared plus y. Ganun ulit, pag may kasamang constant, mga Lodi, yung may kasamang variable yung constant natin, ihiwalay natin yung variable, divide natin both sides. So, we have c is equal to x squared plus y all over y squared. Then, another quotient rule. So, 0, derivative ng constant, 0, b du. Y squared, derivative ng x squared? 2x. Derivative ng y, y prime, minus u dv. So, that is x squared plus y. Derivative ng y squared, mga Lodi? That is 2y, y prime, all over y to the fourth. Bakit y to the fourth, Sir IJ? V squared. So, square lang natin yung baba. Pangyari, ilipat natin sa kabila. So, we have 0 is equal to 2x squared y, 2x y squared plus y squared y prime minus 2x squared y prime minus 2y squared y prime. So, ano mangyari dyan, Sir IJ? May common tayong isang y. Tanggalin natin, isang y, isang y, isang y. So, we are left with 2xy plus y prime minus 2x squared y prime minus 2y prime equal 0. So, ano na mangyayari dyan? Meron ba tayong pwedeng i-simplify? Meron, Sir IJ, ito. So that is 2xy minus 2x squared y equals 2yy prime. Lilipat sa kabila, magiging plus 2yy prime. Ito minus, magiging y prime. So ano na mangyayari? So we have, double check natin mga lodi, 2x squared y prime. This is y prime pala. Okay, sorry mga lodi. So 2x squared y prime. So lipat natin. So we have 2x squared y prime plus y prime equals 2xy. Solving for y prime, that is 2xy all over 2x squared plus y. So yun yung magiging final answer natin. Double check na lang natin mga lodi. dy over dx. So our answer is correct. Okay. Next problem, number 5. Okay, number 5 na tayo mga lodi. Number 5. Y squared equals 4ax. So, yan ulit. Diskarte ni Sir IJ. Pag may constant kasamang variable, isolate. So, 4a equals y squared over x. Differentiate both sides. 0 equals v du. Ang derivative ng y squared, 2y prime minus u dv all over v squared. Lipat sa kabila, it will become 0. 0 is equal to 2x y prime minus y squared. But we have a common y, so pwede natin tanggalin mga lodi. Lipat sa kabila, 2xy prime is equal to y. So from that, we have y prime is equal to y all over 2x. So yan ay magiging sagot natin. Okay mga lodi, naintindihan ba? Okay, so hopefully naintindihan natin ha. Number 6. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Uy, Sir IJ, tatlo na yung constant dyan. Kung tatlo yan, ilang beses tayo magdi-differentiate? Tama ka dyan, idol. 3 beses. So, first derivative, y prime. So, nawala na ng tinta yung ating marker, mga lodi. Palit tayo. Ito, gamitin natin yung isa. So, we have y prime equals 2ax plus b. Ang derivative ng constant ay 0. Next, double prime. That is 2a. Derivative ng x is 1. Ito, wala na. Pangatlong derivative. Therefore, ito yung final answer natin. Y triple prime is equal to 0. Okay? Next, number 7. Number 7. Y is equal to C1. Paano kapag ganito? Ayan. Meron na tayong exponential, mga lodi. Anong gagawin natin dito? So, ang ganitong gagawin natin diyang diskarte, mga lodi. Dalawa constant, twice tayo magdi-differentiate. So, that is y prime is equal to C2 e raised to 3x. Sir IJ, nakalimutan mo yung 3. Okay. Kasi ang derivative ng e raised to u du. Derivative ng taas, 3. Kaya nilagyan natin ng 3. Since dalawa constant, differentiate ulit natin, Sir IJ. That is 3 times 3, 9C2 e raised to 3x. So, IJ, bakit ganun? Nandiyan pa rin yun yung constant. So, kailangan, mga lodi, we have to manipulate everything in terms of dapat mawala yung mga constant natin. So, from this case, we have y double prime is equal to 3 multiplied by 3c2 e raised to 3x. Finactor out ko yung 3. Sir IJ, bakit mo siya finactor out? Tingnan nyo to mga lodi. Diba ito at saka ito parehas. Then, ibalik natin. Therefore, y double prime is equal to 3y prime. Or, y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to 0. So, yun ay magiging final answer natin, mga lodi. Okay? So, ano pa yan? Marami pa tayong mga ganyang klase ng problem. So, we just have to manipulate. Number 8. Y is equal to 4 plus C1 e raised to 3x. Kanina, constant lang siya isa. Dito, dalawa yung constant niya. Dito, isa lang yung constant. So, isang beses lang, di ba mga lodi? So, y prime is equal to 3 C1 e raised to 3x. Sir IJ, paano yan? Hindi nawala yung constant ko. Dapat, pag tapos ka na mag-differentiate, you have to solve for the constant on the original or on the first derivative. Depende dun sa klase ng or kung ilan yung constant natin. From this case, we have C1 e raised to 3x equals y minus 4. Then, lipat mo siya or i-substitute mo siya dito. So, that is y prime is equal to 3 times y minus 4. So, y prime minus 3y equals 3y minus 12. So, y prime minus 3y equals negative 12. So, yan na yung mangyayari dyan, mga Lodi. Okay? Next problem, mga Lodi, number 9. Okay, number 9. Y is equal to C1. Ano pag negative yung exponent? Plus C2 e raised to negative 4x. Paano yan, Sir IJ? So, ganito. Y prime is equal to negative 4 C2 e raised to negative 4x. Dalawang derivative kasi dalawa yung constant natin, mga Lodi. So, that is y double prime. Negative 4 times negative 4, 16. C2 e raised to negative 4x. So, yung ginawa natin kanina, ganyan din, mga Lodi. So, that is y double prime is equal to negative 4 multiplied by negative 4 C2 e raised to negative 4x. Bakit ganyan, Sir IJ? Kasi ito equal dito. Tama ba, mga Lodi? Therefore, y double prime is equal to negative 4 y prime or y double prime plus 4 y prime is equal to 0. Okay? Okay, next, number 10. So, last problem for solve problems, mga Lodi, number 10. Y is equal to C1 e raised to x plus C2 e raised to negative x. So, pwede natin gawin dyan. Twice tayo mag-differentiate. So, that is y prime is equal to C1 e raised to x minus C2 e raised to negative x. Next, y double prime is equal to C1 e raised to x plus C2 e raised to negative x. Bakit naging plus, Sir IJ? Kasi nga, tingnan natin maigi. Ito, negative. Negative times negative, positive na ulit. Anong gagawin natin dyan? Notice na ito equal dito. Therefore, pwede mo itong palitan ng y. Y double prime is equal to y. Or y double prime minus y is equal to 0. So, yun yung magiging final answer natin, mga Lodi. So, huwag kayong mag-alala, mga Lodi. May part 2 pa yan. So, siguro part 1 muna to. So, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and I hope you have a great day. Pagpalain tayo ni Lord and God bless. And more math tutorials to come. Good luck, mga Lodi. I hope you all the best. Bye for now.